Brave. Showing courage in the face of fear. Example: the brave firefighter entered the burning building to save the cat. Calm. Relaxed and not excited or anxious. Example: despite the storm, the captain remained calm and steered the ship to safety. Generous. Willing to give or share freely. Example: she is always generous with her time, helping anyone in need. Loyal. Being faithful and supportive. Example: a loyal dog never leaves its owner's side. Curious. Eager to learn or know something. Example: the curious child asked many questions about how airplanes fly. Friendly. Being kind and pleasant to others. Example: her friendly smile made everyone feel welcome at the party. Honest. Always telling the truth. Example: an honest student admitted to making a mistake on the test. Creative. Having new and imaginative ideas. Example: the creative artist used recycled materials to make a beautiful sculpture. Ambitious. Having a strong desire to succeed. Example: the ambitious athlete trained every day to qualify for the Olympics. Kind. Caring and considerate towards others. Example: the kind teacher stayed after class to help her students understand the lesson. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.